So PPI news data today didn't do anything from the market. So obviously, I'm looking to take trades. On NASDAQ, really no form of high time frame draw on liquidity besides these 4-hour highs up here. On the hourly, we did have these hourly lows right here and these hourly lows right here as draws on liquidity, which at the time of market open were far more achievable than these 4-hour highs, which again led me to want to see these lows get swept. Today was a textbook trading day outside of the fact that we were chopping sideways for a little bit coming into market open. So we can see market open, we get an immediate sweep of these lows. And for me, I was like, okay, I want to see a sweep of the lows, high time frame lows, and then what am I going to be waiting for? A 5-minute retrace. We get this 5-minute retrace, but this is at 9:35, and then on top of that, do you see any executionable price action within here? No. Price ends up flooding the face to the downside. We get one more sweep of this high time frame drawn liquidity, and this was actually perfect because it was during the macro, right at 9:50. We sweep out liquidity, and then from there we can start seeing some confluences. Okay, so we had this bearish imbalance right here get invalidated by this candlestick. Boom, perfect confirmation confluence that price is starting to change direction. And then once we formed this high up here, I drew on a couple things. We had equilibrium, okay, which was pretty much at this high time frame draw on liquidity line. So we can see that that ended up getting hit. Let me remove this just so it looks a little bit cleaner. And then we had this blue line here is representing this breaker block. You know, do whatever you want with this. I was kind of just marking out all the confluences. We have this blue line here, which marks out the breaker block. We also have this order block right here, right? The leg down that sweeps out liquidity prior to the breaker structure. And then we had this BPR as well, which got pushed into. So pretty much all of those confluences, equilibrium, fair value gap, BPR, breaker block, and order block, every single one got tapped into, and then we see legs out of it right here. I enter off of that. Stops underneath this candle's low. I could have played it a little bit more safe and put it underneath the full liquidity sweep, but I really liked the risk to reward on my first take profit. I didn't take any profits until my first take profit. Everybody loves saying, TJR, your risk to rewards suck dick. Well, guess what? I'll make you nut quick, all right? Like, final take profit was a 1-to-3 risk to reward ratio, and we hit every single take profit. Entered off this candle, stops underneath here. We chopped around for a little bit more. We came back down into this BPR, didn't quite take out these lows, and then boom. Overall, what can we learn from this today? I think today was a super solid trading day. We had some volume and some volatility from PPI news data, and since news didn't affect the market too much, I was willing to trade. Today, we fucking crushed it.